Hello guys, so today is the first day that I'm going to try out this teeth whitening kit. It's upside down, so it's 7 days and 30 applications, 5-minute treatment, fast and convenient. Let's see how it goes. I'm a bit skeptical. I've used teeth whitening stuff in the past and I've seen like some results but not many. We've also got this charcoal toothbrush which we're going to use, which apparently gives you a deep and gentle clean, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's go. So I just finished brushing my teeth with the new toothpaste and the toothbrush. I thought the bristles in the toothbrush would have actually been a little bit harder. They're actually quite soft, which I wasn't expecting. And the toothpaste was actually really nice, like kind of flavour. Like I usually find whitening toothpastes to be quite chalky and kind of sickening as soon as your tongue touches them, but this one actually was not too bad and my teeth feel pretty clean. So now we're going to move on and put the retainer and the gel on. Seventh and last day of the Penneys teeth whitening treatment, and if you take a look, I do think my teeth look whiter. I feel like I have used kind of more expensive brands in the past that I've noticed results sooner with, but I mean this one was what, like €4, cheap and cheerful, and I do think it's made a difference. So I'm going to give it my last go and then we will look at the difference from my teeth from the first to the last day. Tried and tested, and I think it's pretty okay.